Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at a fantastic property with a gîte that's set in the region of Calvados. It's a fantastic region. It's quite close to Mont Saint-Michel and also Honfleur. If you haven't been there, they're definitely worth a visit. It has a lovely climate. It's quite close to the airport. It's about an hour from Cannes, from the ports, and you also have the Channel Tunnel nearby. So if you're travelling to and from the UK or wanted it as a holiday home, you've got very, very easy access to this area. It's a beautiful, stunning area. It's full of history, lovely architecture, quite rural. It's quite rural location, but let's go and have a look and see at what the property has to offer. And if you are interested, do check out on our website and you'll find the full details there. As you can see, it's ideally located. You've got a main house, which was a gentleman's residence. It's a manor house. And you also have a separate gîte, which we will come on and have a look at. The entrance coming up now, which is fabulous. So just pausing a little bit there, you can see the setting is amazing and the grounds of the property, it's completely immaculate. You know, the gardens are all landscaped. It's a really, really stunning location. Property is in absolute immaculate condition. It really, really is very tidy. Absolutely no work to be done whatsoever. You can see a little electronic lawnmower there on the grass. Shutters are in perfect condition. And that manor house is separated from the outbuilding, which it contains the garaging and also the gîte. So you've got lots of privacy if you wanted to rent out the gîte or the apartments. Perfect, perfect property. We're going to go inside the property now. Now, I don't know if you know, but Normandy got its name from the Normands, which were the Vikings that came, the Northmans, and that's where the name Normandy actually comes from. So it has a very, very big Celtic culture, which is completely different to the south of France, which is much more Latin. Here we are in the billiards room, and we are told by our agent that you could actually cover the billiards table. They have a cover for it and use it as a separate dining area. Fabulous tiled floors. The wallpaper is actually material, which was very traditional in this type of property in a French manor house. Again, a lovely dining area. So beautifully presented. Very, very well kept and looked after. Lovely twisted oak staircase going up there in the library room, and the fireplaces are in immaculate condition considering their age. So here we're going upstairs, and you'll see that there's a lovely music room, or it could be used as a cinema room, coming into one of the bedrooms here. Very traditional in its decor, with its French beds and its material wallpaper. They're all very good size rooms as well, so it make a beautiful family home. And you're not far from the coast as well, so you could go out, if you wanted to do a trip out, you'd go down to the ocean, which has a very moderate climate. Clouds come and go with the tides. You can see that you're not overlooked by anybody. It's a lovely private property. I'm not going to tell you the price. I think you've got to go and guess the price and have a look on our website and it will tell you the price, but you will be absolutely amazed. I mean, all of that, all of those beautiful gardens with mature trees, which would take years to plant, is probably about the same price as a one-bedroom flat I would have had in London. And it's so beautifully manicured. The gardens are just really, really unique. So much potential. There are so many things you can do. If you're a classic car owner, there are loads of rallies that go on throughout France, and you've got beautiful garaging to store classic cars. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and again, go to our website, have a look at the remarkable price. You won't believe the price of that property, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.